I really screwed this one up. Thanks to the tree. Oh, that's not good. Okay, so you just seen the crash, and here's the damage right here. It's on this side of the motor. See, it's completely snapped off here. I'm hoping the wires inside are okay. I haven't tested the motor. So what I'm going to do is try and glue it with this Gorilla epoxy. I heard somebody say they had good luck gluing a DJI Spark body with this stuff, so we're going to give it a try and I'll let you know if it's successful. I'm crossing my fingers. Okay, so the repairs are complete. See if you can see this here. It looks pretty good. This stuff dries clear. You kind of see that. Just gotta focus a bit. Yeah, it dries clear. It looks like it's fairly strong. I haven't flown it yet. That stuff, I like it. I'll let you know. If you see another video with the drone, you'll know it's successful. I've just tried it in the house, but I think it's going to be all right. Might have survived. Whew.